Welcome to the Crocker Amazon mini mansion. We are so excited about this beautiful project and how we're going to transform it into 2018. Let's go in and take a look at why we're calling it the mini mansion.
It doesn't happen every day. You walk into an average working class neighborhood in San Francisco and you don't expect to see a lot of detail. You expect to see a beautiful home, but not the level of detail that you see around here. Beautiful coffered ceiling, amazing wainscoting. As Sammy said, it's a mini mansion. We are renovating this place keeping in mind the essence of a mansion.
I'm gonna take this and turn it into a mini mansion garden. This backyard is full of concrete, so we are going to take that form and function and also focus on those small little details. Putting a new fence in, taking the small details from the inside, transferring them outside, and making a great transformation with what some people would see as a challenge.
It's really sad that you can't see the inspiration for the home. It's covered up right now. This beautiful giant fireplace is the inspiration for the design of this entire renovation. When you come back, when the house is fully done, you get to see it in its full glory.